So, which method do I use to solve a 3x3 puzzle cube? This method is a mixture of the CFOP and the ROUX methods. Want to know how it is done? Watch till the end of this video to find out more. The method that I use to solve my 3x3 puzzle cube is called the FR mix or the Friedrich rule mix method. This method is not a speed cubing or an advanced method, but it allows me to be able to solve a puzzle cube without having to memorize many algorithms. This video is not meant to be a full tutorial, so if you are interested to find out more about this FR mix method after watching this video, I have a full tutorial video and I'll leave the link in the description below. There are 4 steps in the FR mix method. The first step is to create a cross at the bottom of the puzzle cube. This is also the first step of the CFOP method. This step is intuitive and you do not need to apply any algorithm. The next step is to solve the first 2 layers of the puzzle cube. This is also the second step of the CFOP method. For this step, you can either use the beginner or the F2L method to solve the layers. The third step of the FR mix method is CMLL, or corners of the last layer. In this step, we will orient and permute the corners simultaneously. This is also the third step in the ROUX method. In the ROUX method, you will need to memorize 42 different algorithms. For the FR mix method, you will only need to learn 2 very simple algorithms, but you have to apply them repeatedly in order to solve this step. The fourth and final step of the FR mix method is LSE, or last 6 edges. This is also the final step of the ROUX method. In this step, I will solve all the remaining 6 edges, and there are only 3 very easy algorithms you need to know. So this is the FR mix method that I use to solve my 3x3 puzzle cube. It is a combination of the CFOP and the ROUX methods. Using this method, you only need to learn a few simple algorithms and you'll be able to solve your puzzle cube easily. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.